Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy paste using keyboard. So as we can see, Control A for selecting, and if you want to select all, so Control plus A, and similarly Control plus C for copy, and Control plus V for paste, and Control plus X for cut. Now we will see in keyboard. So press Control A. So as we can see, all data are selected, and if I want to copy, so press Control and plus C. Control plus C. So for copy, and if you want to paste, so press Control plus V. Make slowly so people can see properly. No agitate here. Control plus V. So this is the for paste. You can paste anyway, and like you will paste like this, so it's not okay. Press together both. Control plus V, both together. Yes, like this. Slowly. Yes. And similarly Control C for copy and Control X for cut. Thanks for watching.